What's going on, Legacy Builders? I hope everybody is having a blessed morning, a blessed afternoon, or evening, whenever you're catching this trade review. First off, I just want to say thank you for everybody and anybody who is following me on this journey. I appreciate everybody. And just remember, throughout your journey, don't give up, keep faith, and always put God first in everything that you do. So, for this trade review this morning, we simply got into a trade based off of a few things. I wanted to see sell side liquidity taken. Then I wanted to see price move to the upside with displacement. At the time of the displacement, I would like to see a fair value gap created. Then I would like to see price go back to that fair value gap and continue my direction. That's exactly what happened on this trade. I didn't get to start the trade on camera like I would have liked to. So I ended up starting the video a little bit late. I had 4 contracts on and scaled out as I was getting into profit. We took a dub and I'm happy. Either way, let's get straight into it. Post down below if you got any questions. We do have a free Discord that you can sign up for as well. So don't hesitate. The time is now. God bless y'all.